Alright, so we have Tabby's date. My friend Tabby got a new laptop and she was using it to take notes. She puts her whole life on there. She was excited to finally have a date with a boy she liked, but she completely forgot the details of where and when. She told me that she remembers writing it in a note, but doesn't think that she saved it. So here's a clue. Note, right? So maybe we're dealing with notepad. I have this downloaded, the zip file, and I have it extracted. This is an export of her laptop files. So let's go into C, let's go into users, let's go into Tabby, and then let's go into, so the key thing to take away from here is that we are looking for, like when you write stuff down in Notepad and you don't save it, it actually goes into the tab state, which is located in app data, it's located in local, Microsoft, Windows, I'm sorry, not in there. It's going to be in packages. So, yeah, so here's Microsoft.Windows Notepad. And this string at the end, the AWE, that's actually an indicator that these files were on a Windows 11 OS. So if we go into here, the local state, tab state, here's all of our unsaved data, right? So yeah, so we're gonna look for the flag here, and you can go through each one, but I specifically remember which one it was. I think it was the 2E0, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's this one. So if we open it in HXD, here it is. It's right here. Here's the flag, right? And if we copy this, yeah, it contains null characters. It's going to filter those out, which is great for us. If we paste this in here, it's a little wonky, right? So let's do a replace, and we're going to find every instance of the null character, or I'm sorry, well, let's replace with something else, and replace it with nothing. Replace all, and there's our flag. There's our cleaned up flag. So a pretty interesting challenge. Learned a little bit about how Notepad stores files.